The AC system is a complex beast, and when your Cayenne doesn't properly cool, or cools from one side but not the other, it can be for a variety of reasons, including but not limited to low refrigerant, malfunctioning servos, redirecting airflow, inoperable climate sensors, leaks, or other issues. We're keeping it simple and stupid in this video and simply showing you the quick way of using a kit to turn your heat box into Santa's third MTV crib at the North Pole via a recharge of your AC system. One day we'll make a video on the more proper way of measuring AC pressure, using the proper tools on both pressure ports, replacing malfunctioning servos, chasing leaks, and replacing faulty temperature control sensors. For now, onwards to the AC recharge, which is simply pumping more refrigerant into the system. Remove driver side engine covers. Remove the power steering cover and the engine cover in the corner. It's held on by two twist-to-turn plastic pieces and two Torx screws. My Torx are missing, so we simply twist to remove the push pins and the engine cover piece comes right off. There are two pressure ports associated with the AC system. The low pressure port has a small cap, and the high pressure port has a large cap. Locate the low pressure port with a small cap and remove the plastic cap. Attach the AC recharger to the low pressure port by pressing it on. It should snap on. Make sure it has a good connection. On the base model Cayenne, the low pressure port is located closer to the back. The high pressure port and low pressure port have different sized connectors, so it should be difficult to make a mistake here. If you're not sure, then unscrew both of them. Take your handy dandy recharge tool and simply try and insert it onto both of them. You'll see that even if I'm trying, you can't get it on the wrong one. So for sure now it's this one. Start vehicle and max AC. Start the Cayenne and set the AC to max and the fan to full speed. Turn on recirculation. Recharge. Shake the can well and squeeze the trigger to charge the AC system. Do it in 5 to 10 second bursts, then give it a break and then continue. Do this until you are satisfied with the temperature inside of the cabin. You need to be careful to not overcharge the system or it can cause damage. My refrigerant was low, but I exercised caution and settled for 30 psi. Do not try to get it to the highest part of the green zone or you risk overcharging. To site source 1, a properly charged system should read between 25 and 40 psi on the low side. To site source 2, the low side pressure works fine at 40 psi. Replace engine covers. At this point, replace your engine covers and you're done. Your AC system should be blowing cold air. Comment below if you have any tips, corrections, or feedback. Sources.